Hey guys, how's quarantine treating you? The gyms are closed, all the gym equipment is sold out, and if you want to buy it from third party, it's highly overpriced and marked up. So what I decided to do was build my own fully adjustable wooden weight bench. Now, I found this guide on Instructables by Afajarito, and he made this really cool weight bench, which is adjustable back that goes from 90 degrees all the way down to 0 degrees, so it's a flat bench. I wanted a fully adjustable weight bench, so I decided to modify it, and mine goes from 90 degrees to negative 30 degrees, and then the seat goes from 45 degrees to negative 15 degrees. So now you got all these different types of workouts that you can do on it. If you want to know how to build that yourself, I'll be posting a full video guide step by step on how to build it, as well as some of the issues that I ran into and how you could improve upon it yourself. I'll also be posting a guide on Instructables with all the measurements and diagrams, so you can use that to reference instead of playing this video over and over again. So if you want to get notified for that new video that's coming out, hit subscribe and hit the bell, or comment down below and I'll message you when that video is up.